Welcome to Curacao. That's right, we are going to take you on a city bus tour and let our tour guide do most of the talking through this video. And I hope you enjoy every single picture.
Other white people from Europe. So that's a little bit the mixture of the people of Curacao. We will become the island of runabouts. We would be like a little bit like Bonaire, like Aruba, the sister islands of the Dutch Caribbean. They reach the pontoon bridge, the swinging bridge that we are about to see. So if you take a look at your right hand side, you will see the water. The water divides the capital Willemstad in two. So Black Roof, the biggest one.
I went to Curacao in November and they were starting to put up all of their Christmas decorations. As you can tell by these pictures, they weren't done yet, and I'm sure it'll look totally amazing when they're done. But I also have some random pictures of different things that were around the neighborhood as we drove through on the bus, and you'll notice all the different colorful buildings that they have, and just the unique building structure is totally Caribbean.
Dare to paint your house the same color as the neighbor. They would start to ask you if you are using a basic color to put the final color, because you can't have the same color as your neighbor. It's a no-go.
So driving through Curacao, you're going to see a different kind of murals on some of the walls. And I thought it was funny that he mentioned the fact that you can't have the same color house as your neighbors. That's really intriguing to me.
This building wanted to honor the old hospital that you see at the right hand side. So if you take a look in the mirror, you see the old hospital at the right hand side. They are buried above the ground because of the limestone problem we have. In many cases, the youngest layer of 5 million years would be the limestone, which makes it difficult to dig a hole. So it's not because of the water level, like in many other areas, but it's due to the at your right hand side. You see the green tower at your right hand side and the other green roof. Recently they painted it over. There's cost down to the 80 days. If it would have been 110 million years ago, we would have not been able to drive, because this would have been all the sea around the island. Catholic Church, most of the people of Curacao are Roman Catholics. It goes back to the time that the Spaniards came here in 1499. They started with Christianity in 1525. So this year, Curacao celebrated 500 years of the Christian world. East of the island of Curacao. From here, if the weather would have been clear, you would have been able to see Bonaire, which is one of our sister Dutch islands. This is as well the site of the International Airport of Curacao, with daily flights. ladies and gentlemen, and the bridge came in 50, so 50 pieces from the Netherlands and was put together here on the island. It was assembled here on the island. When we cross at the right hand side first, we'll see what we saw at the beginning of the tour. So there's an Anna Bay dividing the capital in two parts. It's like Budapest, you know? At the right hand side, the section where your cruise ship is docked, and on the left side, the best part, because I live at that part. You see again, the pontoon bridge is completely closed for ship traffic and all open for pedestrians to cross. See how many people are crossing? So at our left hand side, we see a big red-white antenna, and together with a green building and a blue one, it all belongs to our national television station. And you know what? In the beginning, when they introduced remote controls, we didn't use that because we only had one channel. Yeah, so you could have done to the left, you see a part of our harbor. You see a glass tower building, which is the Ministry of Economic Development. And you see some other old architecture upcoming at your left, which used to be country houses in the past, surrounded by plantation grounds and farms here in Curacao. That we are not allowed to pronounce in the English language, but it's related to a model of an airplane, because the first airport in the history of Curacao going back to 1923 used to be in this area. And I'm talking about watercrafts. So all the streets around here are named after something related to aviation. And the name I cannot pronounce to you, I will spell it to you and you may pronounce it yourself. It's F-O-K-K-E-R. Yeah, you said it yourself. Yeah. Yeah, it's with an O. Yeah. And we know when Caribbean people are speaking, the US passengers and English speaking passengers may feel offended many times, because in the reviews that the tourist guide was very rude. Yeah, that's why we are not allowed. We agreed that we spell it and for the people themselves to pronounce it. If you are pronouncing it and you sit next to another person, yeah, if that person would like to believe otherwise, then yeah, it's your problem. But then I didn't say it myself. So the McDonald's and the Kentucky Fried Chicken are part of our culture, of our society, of our civilization, of our decent inhabitants, intellectuals and everything. And also we have the Wendy's and the Burger King, the Subway, the Pizza Hut, and you know, we have everything. So we arrived here at another roundabout, even though the rules are not like in the roundabout. That will take us to the Mambo Beach.
Oh, getting ready for Christmas.
And the wine factory at your right, I didn't want to mention it for not creating.
So as we're driving, we come across this big building This is a venue place, so this is where they have all their big concerts on the island. Believe it or not, it kind of looks like a school. I hope you enjoyed the city bus tour of Curacao. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And remember, it's up to you to make it fun and make it yours. We'll see you the next time.